Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to all of you. Today we start new chapter, that is ratio. Very important topic in arithmetic. Questions will come from basic level, and this ratio applications we use in different chapters. So be clear with the ratios. Now, first we start with basics, then we go for advanced level problems. Okay. First, ratios. What is meant by ratio first? What is meant by ratio? Ratio means comparison of similar quantities. Comparison of similar quantities. Comparison of similar quantities in simplified form. Similar quantities in a simplified form. Similar quantities in a simplified form. Comparison of similar quantities in simplified form. Suppose, what does it mean? Suppose a bag is there, in that 20 kg of rice is there. Another bag B is there, in that 30 kg of bag is there. If you want to find ratio of A is to B, if you want to find the ratio of A is to B, it is 20 is to 30. It is 20 is to 30. If we simplify, it is 2 is to 3, right? 2 tens are 10 twos are 10 threes are 10 twos are 10 threes are. Simplified form is 2 is to 3. That means for two quantities there is a 3 quantities. Another 3 quantities is there. Another 3 quantities is there. Okay. Ratio basic meaning is comparison of similar quantities, and ratio is unitless. It has unitless because cancel each other. Na? Ratio is unitless. Unitless. Okay. Now, next one. We write like this, right? A is to B. How you can read? A is to B. A is to B. A is to B. In other form, we can write like this. A is to B. Symbol is this 2 dots, 2 column dots. 2 dots. This is the symbol. Okay. Sometimes we write like this also. A by B. This is not a fraction. This is A by B. This is a ratio. As of now, in ratio chapter, A by B means A is to B. Okay. Okay. There is a difference between fraction and ratio. Know that. Okay. A is to B. Okay. A is to B. A is to B. This one is in some textbooks you can see like this also. A is antecedent. Antecedent. B is consequent. B is consequent. You can see like this also. Some textbooks you can see like this. Okay. A is to B. A is antecedent. B is a consequent. Okay. Now, I told you ratio is simplified form. A is to B is 20 is to 30, 10 twos are 10 threes are. How far you can simplify it? How far you can simplify it? Okay. How far you can simplify it? Till you get HCF of these two quantities should be 1. Then only HCF is 1. HCF of 2 and 3 is 1. Then only you can say these two are in simplified form. Otherwise, you can't say exactly they are in simplified ratio form. Suppose 4 is to 6 is there. This is the ratio only. But simplified form is not a simplified form. It further goes on 2. 2 twos are 3 threes are. Okay. 2 twos are 3 threes are. Sometimes they may ask the question, how can you say these two quantities are in ratio? Find out HCF of those numbers. It will be 1. Okay. Then only the ratio principle satisfies. Okay. Now, simplified form is 1. Okay. Now, A is to B is, I told you, 2 is to 3, right? A is to B is, I give an example. A is to B is 2 is to 3. What does it mean exactly? So that means A is 2 multiple. There is a common multiple of 2 and 3. So A is 2 multiple. B is 3 multiple. B is 3 multiple. 2K, 3K. K can be any number. Okay. So if you take K equal to 1, if you take K equal to 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. A can be 4, B can be 6. If you take K equal to 2, K equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are, sorry. 2 2s are 4. Sorry. This is 1, right? It is 2 is to 3. It is 4 is to 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are 4 1. Okay. Next. I have given A ratio B is 2 is to 3. What does it mean exactly? What does it mean exactly? A is 2 multiple. A is 2 multiple, 2k. B is 3k. B is 3k, that is 3 multiple. A is 2 multiple, B is 3 multiple. Okay, so k is a common multiple of both A and B. So if you take k equal to 1, if you take k equal to 1, 2 1s are 2 3s are. If you take k equal to 2, 2 2s are 2 3s are. If you take k equal to 3, number goes on, till goes on, right? So if you take k equal to 10, it is 20, 30. So what I'm trying to say is, simplified form is 2:3. So this can be any number, 2, 3, A can be 2, 3. A can be 2, B can be 3. So A and B can be 4 and 6. For list goes on until and unless you know the k value. Okay. Now, next concept. So list goes on. Now, first we see basics about basic problems of ratios. See like this. Some problems will see like this. A is to B is 2:3. B is to C is 1:2. 1:2. Find the ratio of A is to B is to C. Find the ratio of A is to B is to C. We have to find out the ratio of A is to B is to C. Okay. Now, we can do it in different manners, different methods. First know the basic, then we go for some shortcut ones. While discussing the problems, I'll tell you how to solve the problems directly without doing all these steps. But when theory problems come into the picture, this method you should know. Okay, this method you should know. Now, A is to B is to C. One method is first write A is to B is to C. First write A is to B is to C. This is 2:3, right? This is 2:3. A is to B is 2:3. B is to C is 1:2. B is to C is 1:2. B is to C is 1:2. Now, under C, vacancy is there. Under A, vacancy here. Under C, vacancy here. Under A, vacancy here. Fill out the vacancies with the rightmost digit and leftmost digit. Right side, rightmost digit. Left side, leftmost digit. Right side, rightmost digit. Left side, leftmost digit. Okay. Now, 3 here, 1 here. 3 here, 1 here. Right side, rightmost digit. Left side, leftmost digit. Okay. Then multiply. Under A, what are the values under A? 2, 1. So 2 into 1, 2. Under B, 3, 1 is there. 3 into 1, 3. Under C, 3 into 2. 3 is there, 2 is there, 3 2 is 6. Okay. 2:3:6. 2:3:6. Okay. 2:3:6. The ratio of A is to B is to C is 2:3:6. This is a basic method. No need to do this method in the exam. Just have idea how we can get the 2:3:6. Okay. Now, same problem can be done. How we can done? A is to B is, I have given 2:3. B is to C is 1:2. B is to C is 1:2. Now we have to find out the ratio of A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C. We have to find out the ratio of A is to B is to C. Okay. Now, B here, B here. But B ratio value is 3 here. B ratio value is 1 here. B 3 here. B 1 here. But B is common. B is common in both the ratios. Now we have to make B equal. We have to make B equal. How you can make it equal? Multiply 1 with here. Multiply 3 with here. Multiply 3. 1 with here. 3 with here. Okay. 1 with here. 2 with here. Okay. So 3. So it is 2:3. 2:3. Now, this is 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. Total B ratio, we got ratio B ratio value equal. That is 3. So A is 3. B is A is 2. B is 3. C is 6. Ratio is 2:3:6. Ratio of A is to B is to C is 2:3:6. That is one method. Okay. That is one method by equalizing the common terms. Okay. Another method directly. Okay. I'll take this slide. A is to B is 2:3. B:C is, I have given 1:2. I have given 1:2. How to find out the ratio of A:B:C? How to find out the ratio of A:B:C? Okay. Now, listen carefully. We use frequently this method. First, to find out the A ratio value, multiply first column. Multiply first column. First value, first column. 2 into 1, 2. B is just keep it out. Now, last value, C. Last value, C. To find out the last value, multiply last column. Find out the last value, last ratio value, find out the last column. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. Now, coming to the middle value. Multiply diagonally. Multiply diagonally. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. A ratio, B ratio, C is 2:3:6. Hope this part is clear. I'll take another example, then it will be clear to you. A ratio B, which is equal to 3:4. B ratio C, 5:7. B ratio C, 5:7. Find out the ratio of A:B:C. Find out the ratio of A:B:C. Now, I told you to find out the first column. Just 1 second. To find out the first ratio value, multiply first column. 3 5s are 15. Middle value, diagonal multiplication. 5 4s are 20. Last column, last value. 4 7s are 28. So ratio of A:B:C is 15:20:28. 15:20:28. Hope this part is clear to everyone. I'll take another example. Suppose A:B, they have given 3:2. B:C, if they have given 7:8. What is the ratio of A:B:C? What is the ratio of A:B:C? Multiply first column. 3 7s are 21. Multiply diagonally. 2 7s are 14. Multiply last column. 2 8s are 16. Okay. 2 8s are 16. Further, if it simplifies, simplify it. Okay. 21:14:16. 21:14:16. Hope this part is clear to everyone. Now, we have seen three variables A, B, C. What about A, B, C, D? What about A, B, C, D, E, Z? A:B is 1:2. If they have given A:B is 1:2. B:C is 3:1. C:D is, they have given 4:3. They have given 4:3. Find out the ratio of A:B:C:D. A:B:C:D. Okay. Find out the ratio of A:B:C:D. First, I'll tell you matrix method. First, discuss it, right? So, it will be clear why we are doing all these things. Okay. Now, under ratio A:B, write 1:2. Under ratio B:C, write 3:1. Under ratio C:D, write 4:3. Write 4:3. Okay. Now, under C, vacancy is there. Under D, vacancy is there. Under C, under D, under A. Under A, under B. I told you beginning while discussing three variables: leftmost digit, left side, leftmost digit, right side, rightmost digit, left side, leftmost digit, right side, rightmost digit. Okay. So 2 here, any here. So fill up these values, these vacancies with 2, 2, 2. Here 1, here 3, here 3. Now here 4, 4, 4. Leftmost digit, rightmost digit. Okay. Now, to find out the A ratio value, multiply all the values under A. 1 into 3 into 4, 12. To find out the B ratio value, multiply all the values under B. 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. C ratio value, multiply all the values under C. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. To find out the ratio value of D, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Further it goes on 2, right? Further it goes on 2. 2 6 is 2 12 is 2 4 is 2 3 is. Further it goes on to 2 6 is 2 12 is 2 4 is 2 3 is. So ratio of A is to B is to C is to D is 6 is to 12 is to 4 is to 3. 6 is to 4 is to 12 is to 3. Hope this part is clear. Basic idea I'm giving, we can do directly. Okay, now how to do it directly? A is to B, I have given 1 is to 2. B is to C, I have given 3 is to 1. C is to D, C is to D, I have given 4 is to 3. We have to find out the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. Okay, listen carefully, many people confused here. Now we have to find out the A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D. A ratio, B ratio, C ratio, D. Now A is first one, D is last one. A is first one, D is last one. To find out the first value, multiply first column. Okay, multiply first column. 1 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. Which is equal to 12. B, C. Okay, fine. D. D is the last value. Multiply last column. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Now we have to find out middle values. We have to find out middle values. Be careful here. Don't confuse. To find out the B value, start from here, from beginning. Wherever B is there, take a turn. Wherever B is there, B is a common term. First, we have to find out B, right? So wherever common term B is there, take a turn and come down. Come down. Okay? Take a turn, come down. 2, 3 is a, multiply these values. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 into 4. Okay? I like this unnecessary confusion. Like this. Okay? 2 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. Sorry, not 12. 2 into 3, 6. 6 4 is 24. 6 4 is 24. Now coming to C. C. Start from here only, but wherever C is there, take a turn there. C and come down. 2 1 4. 2 1 4. 2 into 1 into 4, 8. Which is equal to 12 is to 24 is to 8 is to 6. We got the same value, right? So further it simplifies. 2 6 is 2 12 is 2 4 is 2 3 is 2 6 is 2 12 is 2 4 is 2 3 is. Don't worry, I'll take another problem. It will be clear to you. Okay. First time it may not be clear to you. I'll take another problem. That will be clear to you. Okay. Now A ratio B, which is equal to 1 is to 2. B ratio C, which is equal to 3 is to 1. C ratio D, which is equal to 4 is to 3. Find out the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. Find out the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. Find out the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. Now, to find out the A ratio value, first column, 1 into 3 into 4. 1 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. To find out the B ratio value, start from here, wherever B common is there, take a turn and come down. 2, 3, 4. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3 is 6. 6 4 is 24. Now, find out the C ratio value. To find out the C ratio value, start from here, wherever C common is there, take a turn and come down. Wherever C is there, take a turn and come down. 2 into 1 into 4. 2 into 1 into 4. Observe the pen. 2 into 1 into 4. 2 4 is 8. 8 1 is 8. Right? Now, last value, that is the D ratio value. Come down. 2 into 1 into 3, which is equal to 6. 2 into 1 into 3. Same like previous one. Okay. So 2 6 is 2 12 is 2 4 is 2 3 is. Okay. 2 6 is 2 12 is 2 4 is 2 3 is. Same, I think same like previous one. I'll take another example. Suppose A ratio B, which is equal to 4 is to 5. B ratio C, which is equal to 2 is to 3. C ratio D, which is equal to 5 is to 7. C ratio D, which is equal to 5 is to 7. Find out the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is to C is to D. A is to B is to C is to D. Okay. Now, first ratio value A. Multiply first column. 4 2 is 8. 8 5 is 40. Okay, 4 to the 8, 8 5 is a 40. This is the A ratio value. Now coming to the B ratio value. Start from here, wherever B is there, common is there, take a turn and come down. Take a turn and come down. 5 into 2 into 5. 5 into 2 into 5. 5 into 2 into 5. 5 to the 10. 5 into 2 into 5. 5 to the 10. 10 5 is a 50. 10 5 is a 50. Now, C. Start from here, wherever C common is there, take a turn. Take a turn. C into C value, where start from here, wherever C is there, take a turn and come down. 5 into 3 into 5. 5 into 3 into 5. 5 into 3 into 5. 5 3 is a 15. 15 5 is a 75. 15 5 is a 75. Now, last value. 5 into D, that is last column. 5 into 3 into 7. 5 into 3, 15. 15 7 is a 105. 15 7 is a 105. First value, first column. Last value, last column. Wherever common is there, start from beginning, your denominator side and come this side. Okay. Now, wherever B common is there, take a turn, come down. Wherever C common is there, start from here, come down. Okay. Be clear. Don't mess up with this arrow mark. Okay. Some people may take 5 into 3 into 7. Okay. So be careful while while solving the problems. Okay. So further it goes on 5 8s are 5 10s are 5 15s are 5 2s are 5 1s are, right? So 8 is to 10 is to 50 is to 21. Further doesn't go. Okay. So this is how we have to simplify when they have given 4 variables. That means A, B, C, D. Same like applicable also for 5 variables, 6 variables. Mostly they go for 5 variables. We'll take one example of 5 variables. A is to B, which is equal to 1 is to 2. B is to C, which is equal to 3 is to 2. C is to D, which is equal to 4 is to 5. D is to E. Take it as 2 is to 1. Take it as 2 is to 1. Okay. What is the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D? A is to B is to C is to D is to E. So you can go with the matrix method also, fine. But in exam, we don't have that much time. For understanding purpose, I told that method. Otherwise, no need of doing with that method. Okay. Now directly go with cross method. Now, A ratio value, first column, 1 into 3 into 4. 1 into 3 into 4. 1 into 3. 3. 4 is 12. 4 2 is 24. 1 into 3 into 4 into 2. 1 into 3 into 4 into 2, which is equal to 24. Now coming to the B value. Coming to the B value. Okay. Start from here, wherever B common is there, take that one. 3 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 2. 3 into 4 into 2. Sorry. 2 into 3 into 4 into 2. 2 3 is 6. 6 4 is 24. 24 2 is 48. Now coming to the C value. Start from here, wherever C common is there, come down. Okay. 2 into 2, 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 2 is 32. Now C value. Wherever C common is there, come down. So 2 into 5 into 1, 2. 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. 2 2 is 4. 4 5 is 20. 22 is 40. D value. Last column. 2 into 2. 4. 4 5 is 20. 20 into 1, 20. Further, does it go? No. No, it goes on 2. 2 12 ja. 2 24 ja. 2 16 ja. I think it goes on 4. 4 6 ja. 4 12 ja. 4 8 ja. 4 10 ja. 4 5 ja. 4 5 ja. 6 is to 12 is to 8 is to 10 is to 5. So, a ratio for the given simplified ratio of A is to B is to C is to D is for the given ratios is 6 is to 12 is to 8 is to 10 is to 5. Okay. Hope this part is clear. This is about when they have given 5 variables. Now, we enter into another concept. When they have given fractions. Suppose when they have given fractions like this. 1 by 2, A is to B is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. A is to B is 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. Now we have to write in simplified form. This is in fraction form. We have to write in integer form, number form. Okay, this is in fraction form. We have to write in integer number form. How can you write? When 2 variables are there, directly can cross multiply. When 2 variables, 3 is there, just will tell you. Just wait for a second. But when 2 variables are there, directly can write 3 is to 2. Cross multiply, you'll get the answer. 3 is to 2. That is 3 is to 2. But how that 3 is to 2 will come? Always take LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. Okay. Now multiply each fraction with LCM. Multiply each fraction with LCM. Okay. Now ratio is 1/2 is to 1/3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. 2 and 3 consecutive numbers. LCM is 6. LCM is 6. So multiply each ratio value with 6. So 1/2 into 6, 3. 1/3 into 6, 2. 3 is to 2 now. So when two variables are there, just cross multiply, you get the answer directly. No need of taking LCM directly. When 3 variables are there, 4 variables are there, for that LCM method is useful. Okay, for that LCM method is useful. Now, suppose A is to B, 3/4. B is to C, 4/5. What is the ratio of A is to B in simplified form, in integer form? So cross multiply directly. 3 5s are 15, 4 4s are 16. 3 5s are 15, 4 4s are 16. Okay, A ratio B is 15 is to 16. A ratio B is 15 is to 16. Now, this is for two variables. Two ratio forms he has given, two variables A and B given. What if it is ABC? What if it is ABCD? Same like LCM, we have to apply same LCM method only, no other method. Methods are there, but most useful method is LCM method. Okay, why LCM? Simplifies, that's it. Simplifies our values directly. A ratio, B ratio, C. He has given 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. He has given 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. So what is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4? 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. Okay. Now 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. Multiply each ratio value with each fraction ratio value with LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. So 1/2 into 12, 6. 1/3 into 12, 4. 1/4 into 12, 3. Simplified ratio of 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4 is 6 is to 4 is to 3. 6 is to 4 is to 3. 6 is to 4 is to 3. Okay, so this part is clear. Now we'll take another problem, it will be clear to you. A ratio, B ratio, C, which is equal to 1/3 is to 1/4 is to 1/5. 1/3 is to 1/4 is to 1/5. What is the ratio of A is to B is to C in an integer form? Okay, so take LCM of 3, 4, 5. Take LCM of 3, 4, 5. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Multiply each ratio value with each fraction ratio value with 60. 1/3 ratio, 1/4 ratio, 1/5 ratio. Multiply with 60. 1/3 into 60, 20. 1/4 into 60, 15. 1/5 into 60, 12. The ratio value is 20 is to 15 is to 12. 20 is to 15 is to 12. Okay, 20 is to 15 is to 12. Suppose they have given like this: A is to B is to C, 2/3, 4/5, 7/8. 7/8. Okay, 3/3, 2/3, 4/5, 7/8. We have to simplify in simplified form. We have to write in ratio in simplified form. Okay, now take LCM of 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8 LCM is 3 5 is a 15, 15 is a 120, right? 15 is a 120. So now the common multiples. So 2/3 into 120. Sorry, 120. So 2 into 3, 120. 2/3 into 120, Emma. 2/3 into 120. 3 into 40. 40 into 2, 80. 4/5 into 120. 4/5 into 120. 5 24 is 120, right? 24 into 4, 96. 7/8. 7/8 into 120. 7/8 into 120. 120/8. 15 is 120, right? So 15 is 8 into 15, 120. 15 into 7, 105. 15 into 7, 105. So ratio is 80 is to 96 is to 105. 80 is to 96 is to 105. Okay. This is another problem. Now, suppose they have given ratio like this: A is to B is to C. 1/2 is to 3 is to 4/5. 1/2 is to 3 is to 4/5. How to write in simplified form? How to write in simplified form? Same like previous one. If no value is there, take denominator as 1. Take denominator as 1. So 215 LCM is 10. Multiply fraction value with 10. Each fraction value with 10. 25 LCM is 10, right? 2 into 5, 10. Now 1/2 into 10, 5. 3/1 into 10, 30. 4/5 into 10, 8. 3. So ratio value is 5 is to 30 is to 8. 5 is to 30 is to 8. Okay. Hope this part is clear to everyone. Okay. Now we see another concept that is very important one. Be careful. Many times this model repeated in theoretical form and directly problematic form. Suppose 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c is z. 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c is z. He'll ask to find out what is the ratio of a is to b is to c. What is the ratio of a is to b is to c? What is the ratio of a is to b is to c? This problem can be done in different methods. Almost 5 to 6 methods are there. Choose which one is optimal for you. I'll discuss 2 methods. Choose which one is optimal for you. Okay. Now, more or less all are same. All are derived from same basic concept only. But listen carefully how to do it directly. Now, 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c, right? He has given 2a equal to 3b equal to 2a equal to 3b equal to, okay, 2a equal to, he has given 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c. So make it equal to any value. Make it equal to any value. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. Whatever the value, you can make it equal to any value. You get the same answer. Understanding purpose, I'm taking one example. But it is taking it as 1. 3b also 1. 4c is also 1. So make all the ratio values equal to 1. All these values equal to 1. Now, from this what you get? A equal to 1/2. B equal to 1/3. C equal to 1/4. C equal to 1/4. So what is the ratio of A is to B is to C? A ratio, B ratio, C. 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. It is in fraction form. We have to convert into integer form by multiplying LCM of denominators. Okay. 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. I discussed already. 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. So 1/2 into 12, which is equal to 6. 1/3 into 12, which is equal to 4. 1/4 into 3. 1/4 into 12, which is equal to 3, which is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3, which is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3, which is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. Okay. This is basic idea behind the problem. Basic idea behind the problem. Now, okay. Same problem can be done in different method. How can be done in different method? 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c, we have to find out, right? Now, (2a equal to 3b equal to 4c). 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c. Take it as a method 2. Take it as a method 2. Make it equal to LCM of coefficients. LCM of coefficients. LCM of coefficients. Make it equal to LCM of coefficients. Make it equal to LCM of coefficients. So 2 coefficient, 3 coefficient, 4 coefficient. Make it all the ratio values, all the given values to LCM of coefficients. So 2, 3, 4 LCM. 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c, which is equal to LCM of 2, 3, 4. LCM of 2, 3, 4, which is equal to 12. 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. Okay. So 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c. 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c. 2a equal to 12. 2a equal to 12. So 2a equal to 12. So a is equal to 6. 3b equal to 12. 3b equal to 12. So b is equal to 4. 4c equal to 12. C equal to 3. So ratio of A is to B is to C. A is 6, B is 4, C is 3. A ratio, B ratio, C is 6 is to 4 is to 3. Same na? 6 is to 4 is to 3. So either make it equal to 1, either make it equal to LCM of coefficients. Because 12 LCM na? Same we take here only. Simplified form, that's it. Nothing new, nothing difference between these two. It is in different form, it is in different form. Simplification is different, that's it. Remaining all are same. Okay. Now, this is basic idea. If you want to do it, other method also you can do it. Mostly they use this method. Method 3. 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c. 2a equal to 3b equal to 4c. To find out the ratio of a is to b is to c. To find out the ratio of a is to b is to c. Now, what we do? To find out the a ratio value. To find out the a ratio value. Don't take coefficients of a. Close a. Take coefficients of b and c and multiply those two. I repeat. To find out the a ratio value. Don't consider a part. Consider coefficients of b and c. Consider coefficients of b. If you take a, close it. If you take b, b close it. If you take c, c close it. Okay. Now first we are going with a na. So first to find out the a ratio value, find out a part. Find out a part. Close the a part. To find out the a ratio value, close a part. Take coefficients of b and c and multiply those two. B coefficient is 3, C coefficient is 4. Now, to find out the B ratio value, close B part, take coefficients of A and C. Take coefficients of A and C. A coefficient is 2, B coefficient is 4. 2 into 4. To find out the C ratio value, close this part, take coefficients of A and B. To find out the C ratio value, take coefficients of A and B, which is equal to 2 into 3. I repeat. To find out the A ratio value, close A part, take coefficients of B and C. Take coefficients of B and C, that is 3 and 4. To find out the B ratio value, close B part, take coefficients of A and C. Close B part, take coefficients of A and C, that is 2 and 4. To find out the C ratio value, close this part, take coefficients of A and B, that is 2, 3, 2 into 3. So further it goes on 2, 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 2s are, right? So 3 into 2, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 1, sorry, 2, which is equal to 3. Which is equal to 3. 6 is to 4 is to 3. So you get the same answer. Either follow this method, this method, this method is. But most of the time, don't think these are all different methods. You simplified, these two are same. All are same, but mostly they use this method or this method. Okay. If you are comfortable with LCM directly, you can go with directly, or else you can go with this method directly. Okay. If you are comfortable with LCM, if you are comfortable with taking LCM directly, you can go with this method. Okay. Okay. Hope this part is clear to everyone. Now, we start the session here. In the next class, we discuss some problems based on discussed problems. Okay. Thank you.